Patience, ingenuity. The Cubans have both those qualities in spades. But there is one trait that defines Cubans more than any other, and I found it in the last place I expected, a sleepy little town called Remedios. I arrived in late December, just in time for an unusual event. Officially, it's a festival, but with an unexpected twist. The town splits down the middle, San Salvador and Carmen. And both sides go to war. They do battle on 3 fronts. 1 point goes to the best float, a second for the wall of lights, and the final point for the most impressive fireworks display. But this year, San Salvador is in trouble. Their float isn't close to being finished, and the festival's only 2 days off. Though they have a foreman, they work together as a team.
Vamos. Vamos.
They even managed to keep their 50-year-old tractor running smoothly. The whole of San Salvador is counting on them. Last year, Carmen won, and San Salvador wants revenge. But not all the action's happening in the main square. On a quiet back street, behind closed doors, Juan Carlo and his team have been designing and building set pieces for the float since early September. This year's theme is the ocean paradise. All that effort, and once the festival's over, they'll just throw it all away. But the float is only 1/3 of the competition. The light wall's worth just as much, and it's just as complicated. 5,000 blue light bulbs alone. And the heart of the entire display is the bomba. It's more than half a century old, and everything depends on it. Metal strips are nailed to the drum and make the light bulbs blink in a predetermined pattern. If they can keep it working. The final point goes to the homemade fireworks display. A few years ago, the factory blew up, and 3 men were killed. Not much has changed since then. You won't believe what's coming. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Our Human Planet.